Geranium flowers. Overview of Geranium FlowersGeranium. Flowers are known for their vibrant colors and attractive blooms, making them a popular choice in gardens and landscapes. However, it is important to clarify that the plants commonly referred to as geraniums in many gardening contexts are actually members of the genus Pelargonium. True geraniums belong to the genus Geranium, which consists of hardy perennial shrubs. Types of Geranium FlowersThe. Most widely recognized types of geranium flowers include 1. Common Geranium Pelargonium x hortorum. This variety is often called zonal geranium due to its rounded leaves that frequently display a burgundy ring. These flowers can be found in a range of colors including red, pink, white, and purple. They are typically treated as annuals in colder climates but can be perennials in warmer regions. 2. Ivy Geranium Pelargonium peltidum, known for its cascading growth habit and glossy ivy-shaped leaves. This type is ideal for hanging baskets and window boxes. The flowers are also colorful and come in various shades. 3. Lady Washington Geranium P. X. domesticum. This variety features large showy flowers that can be white or come in multiple shades of pink, red, lavender, or purple. It has heart-shaped leaves and is often used in garden beds or hanging baskets. 4. Scented geraniums. These geraniums have fragrant foliage and can produce small flowers that may not be as showy as other varieties, but are valued for their aromatic properties. Flower characteristics. Geranium flowers typically bloom from late spring through summer into early fall, depending on the climate and care provided. The blooms can vary significantly between species, but generally feature 5 petals arranged symmetrically around a central cluster of stamens. Color variety. Common colors include red, pink, white, purple, and lavender. Bloom size. Flower sizes can range from small clusters to larger individual blooms, depending on the specific type. Fragrance. Some varieties, like scented geraniums, offer pleasant fragrances that enhance their appeal in gardens. Growing conditions for geranium flowers to thrive. Geranium flowers require specific growing conditions. Light requirements. They prefer full sun exposure but can tolerate partial shade if necessary. Soil preferences. Well-draining soil, enriched with organic matter, is ideal for healthy growth. Watering needs. Regular watering is essential. However, they are drought-tolerant once established. Temperature sensitivity. High summer heat may inhibit blooming. Thus, selecting heat-tolerant varieties can help maintain flower production during hot months. In summary, geranium flowers are versatile plants that add beauty and fragrance to gardens while being relatively easy to care for when provided with appropriate growing conditions.